make smart investments in your business. Welcome back to Success Spark Wisdom, the channel dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and tools to elevate your business. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can make or break your entrepreneurial journey: how to make smart investments in your business. Investing wisely is not just about spending money, it's about making strategic decisions that will yield positive returns in the long run. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, understanding where and how to invest can significantly impact your growth and success. First, let's talk about understanding your business needs. Before making any investments, take a step back and assess what your business truly requires. Are you looking to improve your technology, enhance your marketing efforts, or perhaps expand your product line? Identifying your needs will help you prioritize your investments and ensure you are directing resources toward areas that will bring the most value. Next, research is key. Once you know what you need, take the time to research potential investments thoroughly. Look into different suppliers, service providers, or technologies that align with your goals. Read reviews, ask for recommendations, and compare options to find the best fit for your business. Remember, informed decisions lead to better outcomes. Now, let's discuss the importance of budgeting. Create a detailed budget that outlines how much you can afford to invest without jeopardizing your business's financial health. This will help you avoid impulsive purchases and ensure that you are making investments that are sustainable in the long run. Stick to your budget and regularly revisit it to adjust as your business evolves. Another critical aspect of smart investing is considering the return on investment, or ROI. Before making any commitment, evaluate how the investment will benefit your business. Will it increase efficiency, drive more sales, or enhance customer satisfaction? Understanding the potential ROI will help you make decisions that align with your business goals. Don't forget about the power of technology. In today's digital age, investing in the right tools and platforms can streamline operations and improve productivity. Consider investing in software that automates processes, enhances communication, or provides valuable analytics. These investments can save you time and money in the long run. Networking is also a form of investment that often gets overlooked. Building relationships with other professionals can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and insights. Attend industry events, join business groups, and engage with others in your field. These connections can provide valuable support and guidance as you navigate your business journey. As you consider various investments, remember to take calculated risks. Every investment carries some level of risk, but it's important to analyze and understand those risks before proceeding. Embrace a mindset that allows for experimentation and learning. Some of the best investments come from taking chances and stepping outside your comfort zone. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek advice from experts or mentors. Surround yourself with individuals who have experience and knowledge in areas where you may need guidance. Their insights can help you avoid common pitfalls and make more informed investment decisions. In conclusion, making smart investments in your business requires careful planning, research, and a willingness to adapt. By understanding your needs, budgeting wisely, evaluating ROI, leveraging technology, networking, and embracing calculated risks, you can set your business on a path to success. Thank you for watching Success Spark Wisdom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Remember, your journey to business success is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep shining bright.